Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you 16 AC outlets. This can hold up to 1800 joules. As you see, it has 1800 joules surge protection, and the cable is 6 feet long, like that. And a 15 amperes overload protection power switch, 14 AW AVG copper wire. You see. And the power rating is maximum 1875. The voltage is going to be 125 and 60 hertz. It has metal case, and this is wall mountable, like that. And it is white spaced, as you see. Let's check it out. Let's check how long it's going to be. From here to here, it's almost 40 inches, like that. It's 100 centimeters. Let's check the size from here and here. How about the back side? If you're gonna mount it, this is where you're gonna mount it. Let's go ahead and plug it and try to use it. Now it's plugged. This is off. Now it's on. Let's go ahead and plug my charger. You see. Let's check how long it's gonna be from here to there. Surge protection. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16 outlets. Definitely suggest it if you want the outlets not taking too much space. I'm just gonna go ahead and put this one right here. Exactly. And use it because I have so many devices I need to charge. Let's see. Now we are done. This is like a treasure. This is very professional and protective.